The final nearshore sailboat race of the 2020 Commodore's Cup Offshore Sailboat Racing Series is set for Saturday, September 5th. The Daytona Beach Dash is the first portion of the annual race to St. Augustine. The starting point is the Ponce Inlet sea buoy. The Daytona Ocean Course has a marker placed approximately 1,000 feet from the beach in front of racing's north turn, passes by Sunglow Pier and finishes at a marker near the Daytona Beach Pier. For this race, some of the sailboats will continue north to St. Augustine, while others turn and head back to Ponce Inlet. For additional information, check out our Facebook group. Search for Daytona Sailboat Racing on both Facebook and YouTube.